Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make Khanom Tokyo. It's a kind of pancake roll. It's Thai street snack. It's thin fat pancake filled with the pork or sausage, or you can put the sweet custard cream too, and also other filling as you prefer. There are all ingredients. This snack is popular in Thailand street food. If you go to Thailand, you will find this on street. And also, it's not difficult to make it. Let's get started. In a large mixing bowl, combine the chicken egg with the sugar 35 grams and then mix well together. Add the milk butter for about 30 grams and then continue to mix. And continue with the dry component is the all-purpose flour 100 grams. And baking powder for 1 teaspoon and also salt 1¼ teaspoon and sift to a bowl. Stirring until everything is well mixed and then let sit for 30 minutes. Let's make the filling. Today we will make the sausage with the pork filling. We're gonna cut the sausage with the dimension as we need. And also with the egg, you need to beat it, or you can use the quail eggs, but for me I prefer the chicken egg. And then let's prepare the pork. In the warm pan, we add the minced pork and then stir fry until it's almost cooked. Use the pork for 100 gram with the 1 teaspoon of the seasoning soy sauce. Now get the seasoning soy sauce for 1 teaspoon, go in. For the sauces, we just put only tomato sauce and also chili sauce and fry until everything is mixed and coat on the sauces. But if you don't like the chili sauce or the tomato sauce, you just skip it and use just only the sauces. Press a non-stick pan over medium to low heat, and when it's hot, put the butter a little bit, just make it cover, and drop 1 large spoon of the batter, and use the back of spoon to spread the batter evenly in a circular motion to create the circular shape of the pancake. And when the batter is a bit cooked, we put the egg on top. For this pancake, you can make size as you want. You can make bigger or smaller than this. And then make the line of the batter as we prepared in the plastic bag before. And then add the sauces, pork, and also spring onion. Once most of the bubble in the batter have popped up, and at the bottom the crepe is golden brown, it means the pancake is almost done. And then put some of the Maggi sauce or the soy sauce on top a little bit, and also the peppers. And then roll up the pancake, and you can see that it's golden brown. Just using spatula to lift the edge of the pancake and gently roll the pancake around the filling. And then it's ready.